Okay, we are going to start the process of putting this engine together. But the first thing we need to do, the things that I saw and found, is that we need to clear these out. And then we also need to do the surfacing on this surface, and then wash everything back down, get all the grit out of it. And so let's get this started. It's not a hard process, but I would suggest not using a regular die grinder like a big heavy duty one, because a regular die grinder is going to be way too fast and too harsh, and you might nick something. So all we're going to use is we're going to use this one, and it's turned all the way down. It's still pretty fast, but it's not near as fast as the electric one. So it's a real simple process. You ain't got to go fast. You just got to go. And that's all it took, just right there. But all that is that's just a casting flash when this was in the mold, and they didn't clean it out. But this is your main back into off your heads back to the oil pump, which is back here. So you want as much the least amount of restriction as possible. So you want the flow real nice. There you go. That's all it takes. That's going to flow a lot more oil back to the oil pump than before. And it just opens it up and makes it work better. And then since we got that done, then we got to surface the main surface for the heads. Hey, have you guys heard? We're doing the first ever giveaway at Uncle Buck's Garage. And what we're giving away is this. I'm giving away this engine right here, minus the valve covers and the T-handles. But this engine is getting given away to a person which will be picked Christmas Day, December 25th of 2025. Happens to be a Thursday, and we do our lives on Thursday. And Christina is going to pick the name out of the hat of who's going to win this. But now, I'm not shipping. You're going to have to come get it. But all you got to do is buy some merch. There'll be a little scroll underneath the screen for all my videos. All you got to do is buy some merch. But the thing is that Spring, the company that makes those t-shirts, they don't give your guys' information out. They're very protective of your information. So to get qualified, you got to send me a screenshot of the purchase from Spring to my email address, bigbuckslater@gmail.com. That's bigbuckslater@gmail.com. You send me that, and you qualify for the deal. Now, you guys that have already purchased in the past, find me the screenshot or send me an email with a picture of the receipt, and you qualify too. So get your orders in, get me those emails so I can get you in the file, and see if we can win you an engine. Y'all be good. Old style, like we did everything else, we're just going to use our straight bar that we use on the specialty. We're just going to wrap this on here, get some WD-40, and we're just going to do some surfacing. All right, but we need some WD-40. Good thing I bought a brand new can.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're just gonna wet it down. And all we're doing is we're just taking, and we're going to go ahead and wash this again too, but we're just just doing a skim. We're just taking the skim off. We're missing a plug.
You talking about a dowel?
Yeah, talking about dowel. We're missing a dowel. Yes, I know we're going to the store.
I don't think they do dowel pin now, or have dowel pins down there.
Well, looks like I might be ordering something online. That's all we got to do on that. Then we'll just do the other side. We got all the dowel pins on this side.
Yeah, I noticed that.
I guess he must have forgot that part at the machine shop 3 years ago. It's okay. I'll go give him a hard time about it. Even the vat at a really good machine shop can get some of the stuff off, but not all the stuff off, and that's just leftovers. But that's all there is to it. And we're done. All we're going to do is clean it up now. So we're going to use clean up, brake clean. And you don't have to be scared about using this. It ain't going to hurt nothing. It ain't going to hurt those bearings that's in there. It's just going to get, and I just want to make sure and get all the little bits of grit. Everything out of it.
Right out?
Yeah, well, I got 2 more cans. 2 more cans. That's a rimmer. That's a rimmer. That was a rimmer.
Shiny.
Yep. Just a little bit of, this is just some of that kind of stuff you can do to save yourself a little bit of money. Because money not spent here can be money spent other places. That. I'm going to go down those oils, make sure I get all that grit. And then we're going to flip it over, and we're going to do it again. Dum 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 dum.
Pull the caps off?
No. Nope. We're not going to pull the caps off.
Oh.
Well, you know what? Actually, we could do that here too.
I was saying pull the caps in.
No. You don't want to do anything where that's a machined surface mated per each cap. You don't want to get in there and do any of that inside.
So we can't. So
you don't know.
Inside here?
Nope. You leave it alone. Yep. Leave it alone. Oh yeah, that needed it. Yep. Next can. Oh. Yeah, those were 2-part cans. Yep.
Oh. Yep. Taking the paint off too. Yeah, I need to repaint it anyway, so we'll just color good that way. Spray down there in them holes. Maybe you'll let me HVLP it. Just paint gun and
Set up a paint gun, huh?
set a paint gun and go 2-part kit.
That's a little bit fancy schmancy for me.
I know you're the king of the rattle can, but you can't beat. You can't beat them like a gun. All right, you say so. Anyways. So, all right. And everybody on the internet, don't holler at me because, you know, I know I'm using paper towels and that can leave residue. And it does it occasionally, you know, if you catch it. But we're just doing surface. That's all we're doing. We're just soaking up brake clean. That's all we're doing. All right. Yep. Let's take the paint off. Yep. All right. Spray her out. All through all them little holes and shit.
Alright. Yeah. Or not. Well, they shouldn't have been. Alright. Alright. Love you.
There you go. All right, so we got our surfaces done, and we're gonna douse this down with WD-40 one more time. But she's ready to go. We got the oil holes opened up, all the grit washed off. Throw some WD-40 on it. All right. Always in the holes. Always in the holes. In the valley. In the front. We don't want anything to flash rust. That's it. And we're ready to start assembling. But first we got to do, on the next video, we're going to polish that. So you're going to want to come around for that one. That won't be coming up after this video. We'll be polishing the crankshaft video. So you guys come around for that. Don't forget Thursday Night Lives. Like, share, and subscribe. And y'all have a great day, because a great day today could be an engine ready to put together tomorrow. Y'all be good.